Meaning of disincentivize.
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 Disincentivize. The term disincentivize refers to the act of discouraging or reducing the motivation of individuals or groups from taking certain actions or engaging in specific behaviors. This can be achieved through various means, such as by removing rewards or incentives, imposing penalties or disincentives, or creating barriers or obstacles. The result of disincentivizing can vary depending on the context and goals involved, but generally, it can lead to a decrease in the frequency or intensity of the targeted behaviors, a shift in priorities or preferences, or a reallocation of resources towards alternative activities or choices.